Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check the SHA-256 hash of a file in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Checking the SHA-256 hash of a file is a standard way to verify its integrity, ensuring the file hasn't been corrupted or tampered with. On Linux, this is a straightforward process using the terminal. Open the terminal. Search for terminal in your applications menu. Navigate to your file. Use the cd, change directory, command to go to the folder where your file is located. For example, if your file is in the downloads folder, run the command. Linux systems come pre-installed with a utility specifically for this called SHA-256. Use the following command. Replace file name with the actual name of your file. You can type the first few characters of the file name, then press Tab to auto-complete it. Interpret the result. After running the command, the terminal will output a long string of 64 alphanumeric characters followed by the file name. Compare this string against the hash provided by the source, for example, the website where you downloaded the file. If even one character is different, the file is not identical to the original. Automate the comparison. If you have a .txt file containing the official hash, often provided by developers, you can let Linux do the comparison for you. Run the check command. What the results mean? Okay, the file is perfect. It is an exact byte-for-byte match. Failed. The file is different. This could mean the download was interrupted, the file is corrupted, or someone tampered with it. Warning: one computed checksum did not match. A summary warning that appears at the bottom if any file fails to check or run the command. The ignore missing flag is helpful if the text file lists different files but you only downloaded one of them. Common use case: verifying ISOs. When you download a Linux distribution, like Arch, they usually provide a file named SHA-256. You download your ISO and that text file into the same folder, then run. Why SHA-256? The SHA-256 secure hash algorithm 256-bit is a cryptographic hash function that produces a unique fingerprint for a file. Mathematically, it is virtually impossible for two different files to produce the same hash. Even changing a single comma in a large text file will result in a completely different SHA-256 string. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.